48. Of Butterflies and Battlefields. How does one become a butterfly? Pooh asked pensively. You must want to fly so much that you are willing to give up being a caterpillar, Piglet replied. You mean to die? Asked Pooh. Yes and no, he answered. What looks like you will die, but what's really you will live on. A. Milne. In utter darkness, confined in space, trapped in the unenlightened cocoon, the caterpillar's existence violently comes to an end. It is strong, though. It endures, remains there, until the miracle of its transfiguration is complete. I pause and ponder. Are the caterpillar and the butterfly aware of their duality? Is it even conceivable that the ugly worm can know the marvelous dichotomy within its deep genetic signature? The journey from crawler to bird-like, is it evolution, progression, metamorphosis, or ultimate death and resurrection? Abusers worm their way into the psyche of their prisoners. A war of epic proportion ensues, wherein they wield their weapons of mind destruction. Striking relentlessly at their victims, they drew from their arsenal of words and shoot a barrage of insults, threats, accusations, criticisms, taunts, demands, lies, and intimidations. Again and again, over and over, because they can, or they think they can. Sometimes they even cower behind the crafty pen of a powerful profession, summoning, judging, and sentencing their victims to lifelong enslavement, always overconfident in the power they think they possess. Embattled and in deep distress, the worm of a victim finally enters her cocoon of courage and births her wings of freedom. The truth is, that which you seek to destroy outside of you destroys you inside of you. That which you seek to break outside of you breaks you inside of you. That which you seek to ruin outside of you ruins you inside of you. She will never be broken and never be destroyed. She is a butterfly now. Yes, butterflies are birthed on battlefields of the mind. True power is not force. Instead, it is passion and lightness of being. And those who choose to live by the sword must be prepared to fall by their own weapon. You can never drink poison and expect the other person to die. I am a butterfly, and you will never catch me. But if I trust you, I'll settle softly on the shoulder of your soul and allow you to touch my essence, the spirit of my wings. And maybe you'll discover that you're a butterfly too, and we'll flutter away together into the lightness of all our flowery tomorrows. Elmarie Arnold.